Today, let's make this beautiful butterfly wing earrings. These are the materials you will need to make this. Start by mixing equal quantities of Fevicryl MouldIt resin and hardener. Knead it thoroughly till it uniformly mixes and becomes completely white. Divide the clay into 2 equal parts. I am placing a cover underneath so that the table does not get dirty. I am flattening the clay using my fingers initially. Now I am using a tool to flatten it evenly and to shape the clay into the desired form. I am removing the excess clay and I am going to shape it as a wing of a butterfly. Repeat the same process on the other wing as well. I will be adding small holes at the top to attach the hook. This is the completed wing.
2 hours later.
Now, after it is dried completely, let us start painting it. For the colors, I am using Pearl Blue and Turquoise Fevicryl Acrylic paint. Here, I am planning to give it a gradient. For that, I will be using a flat brush. Let us start by applying turquoise at the bottom of the wing. Repeat it on the back as well. Here I am adding more turquoise at the bottom. Now start with the pearl blue. Overlap the turquoise and pearl blue. Now as you can see, both the colors have not blended properly. So let us blend it. For the blending part, I'll also be using a round brush of size 6. Don't worry if the paint is not evenly spread. It will give it a natural look. Blend it on both the sides. Now the base of the butterfly is ready. Let the paint dry.
A few moments later.
Now the wing is completely dried. Now I'll be adding black acrylic paint to give patterns to the butterfly's wings. Here I'm using a round brush of size 00. I'm giving some rough patterns to the butterfly's wings. You can be creative and go with the flow. Let's outline the wings to give depth. Once the paint is dried, let us paint on the side as well. Cover the sides with an even coat of black acrylic paint. Here, I am using acrylic paints because acrylic paints are waterproof. After the black paint is dried completely, let us give details on the wings with the help of white acrylic paint. Here, I am using a round brush of size 00. For the details, I am adding random dots on the wing to give it highlight. The dot size depends upon the pressure you apply on the brush. So if you want bigger dots, you need to apply more pressure on the brush. Whereas if you want smaller dots like this one, you need to apply minimal or very less pressure on the brush. Repeat the same process on the other side of the wing as well. This is the completed look of the butterfly wing. So now let us add hooks and rings to the butterfly's wing to make it a earring. Repeat the same steps to make another earring as well. Now let us seal the paint by using varnish. I am using a paint varnish here. After applying the varnish, let it dry for a few minutes. For this process, you can also use a colourless nail paint. This is the completed look of the earring. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.